So if you've seen my previous video on my sweet potato vine, you'll know that my garden used to be full of this sweet potato foliage, and I recently just cut all of it back to make some space for some new gardening stuff. And I bought some plants that I'm going to use for a winter garden. I have Swiss Chard, cabbage, some cauliflower, and some celery. Now, here in Austin, Texas, we're in hardiness zone 8B. I'll put a link in the description, but there's all sorts of plants you can grow in the winter, including broccoli, beets, carrots, cabbage, cauliflower, celery, onions, radishes, peas, arugula, lettuce, kale, spinach, collard greens, and Swiss chard.
So we're all done here. I've got my cabbage right here with a little bit of cauliflower mixed in. It's 2 rows of cabbage and the cauliflower in the middle. Some cauliflower over there. I moved one of my jalapeno plants over to a row over here just so it'll be a little nicer. And we've got our 3 rows of celery and our Swiss chard in the back. And the last thing we have to do is just water.
While it's advised to start your winter garden in October, I started this one in early November, and I don't think it's too late for you guys to start one either. If you're from the area, you probably know we don't get too many November freezes. Thanks for watching, everybody, and subscribe to stay tuned for an update on my winter garden.